Someone has noticed that you are in a quieter phase. This person has noticed that you have been keeping to yourself more, and lately, you have been more isolated and distant. This is not a characteristic of yours, known for sharing joys and achievements. This change has generated curiosity. What is behind this new phase? My name is Eduardo, and in this video, I seek to unravel the mysteries of your introspection, proposing a deep reflection on the reasons and solutions. It seems that, even without making a fuss, you are focused, striving towards your goals. And that is powerful, you know? This withdrawal, far from being a sign of discouragement, indicates a phase of intense dedication and focus on your goals. This approach, although silent, is a powerful strategy that speaks volumes about your determination and clarity of purpose. This movement towards silence is often misunderstood. However, for those who are truly attuned to your intentions, like your guardian angels, this time is recognized as a period of growth, preparation, and anticipation of something great. This quietness is actually a state of great concentration and alignment with your deepest goals, a phase in which you equip yourself with focus and determination to face what is to come. Far from being a retreat, this period of silence can be a preparation for innovative ideas, ambitious plans, and significant personal transformations. It is a moment when you intentionally step back from the external noise to connect with your essence, recalibrate your energies, and set a course of action that truly resonates with who you are and what you want to achieve. The importance of listening to yourself and honoring this space of quietness is a powerful reminder that sometimes, the greatest advancements come not from constant doing, but from being. By allowing yourself this time to reflect and focus, you are indeed building a solid foundation for future success. So as you go through this period of silence, know that you are not alone. Your guardian angels and those who understand the importance of these moments are with you, observing and supporting your journey. They recognize that this silence is laden with potential, a preparation for the fulfillment of your dreams and aspirations. Thus, while silence may be misinterpreted by some, for you, it is a strategy, a powerful tool for growth and focus. This time of introspection and preparation is essential, allowing you to move towards your goals with clarity, purpose, and a renewed sense of determination. This person is truly very curious and concerned about this change in your behavior. Your silence is going against your usually expressive and communicative personality, generating a wave of speculation and interest. Traditionally, you are known for openly sharing your victories and challenges, making this period of quiet even more intriguing. This atypical behavior led this person to wonder what is happening with you. This quietness is not seen as lack of news, but rather as an indication that you are focusing on something big. It could be a new project, a significant life change, or even a moment of personal growth and development. What is certain is that your ability to maintain a mystery has captured the attention of everyone around you. People around you are used to being inspired by your actions and achievements. Therefore, this sudden withdrawal has caused many to pay even more attention, anticipating the next chapter you are about to reveal. It's as if, through your silence, you are carrying an energy of anticipation, preparing everyone for a big revelation. Whatever the novelty you are preparing, it is clear that it is destined to be something memorable. And by keeping everyone in suspense, you reinforce the idea that some things are worth waiting for. This waiting game is not just a tactic to keep the focus on you, it is a demonstration of confidence and self-control, evidencing a deep understanding of how to generate interest and keep people engaged. The power of this expectation should not be underestimated. It serves as a reminder that, in the age of instant information, the unsaid can be as powerful as the disclosed. This approach has the additional effect of making each revelation more impactful, as you allow people's curiosity and imagination to fill the space of silence you created. While everyone tries to guess your next steps, you have the opportunity to shape your narrative on your own terms. This puts you in a unique position to surprise and exceed expectations, using the element of surprise to your advantage. The impact of your actions, when finally revealed, is amplified by the anticipation you have built. The ability to stay focused on your goals, despite the buzz around you, reflects inner strength and clarity of purpose. This is an admirable trait that resonates with many, inspiring them to adopt a similar approach in their own lives. Your journey becomes a testament to the power of perseverance, vision, and hard work. Furthermore, your ability to innovate and push beyond established boundaries is a source of inspiration. The continuous pursuit of new challenges and the refusal to settle where you are motivates others to follow your example, exploring unknown territories and expanding their own horizons. Regarding comments and rumors, your mature and focused approach proves to be a role model to be followed. Instead of being influenced by external narratives, you remain true to your vision and values. This integrity and authenticity strengthen your position as a leader and innovator in your field. Your independence and the unique way in which you conduct your existence stand out as beacons of authenticity and self-determination. In a world where so many seek external approval and validation, your choice to live according to your own principles and desires is not only refreshing, but also deeply inspiring. This conscious decision to follow your own path, challenging conventional norms and expectations, encourages others to reflect on what they truly value and aspire to in their own lives. By venturing outside of your comfort zone and embracing the unknown, you not only broaden your horizons, but also redefine the concept of what is achievable. This process of constant self-challenge and exploration is vital for personal growth and innovation. It demonstrates that, instead of conforming to limitations imposed both by ourselves and by society, there is always room for expansion and overcoming. Your resilience shines especially when facing adversities. Instead of being insurmountable obstacles, each challenge becomes an opportunity to learn, grow, and strengthen your character. This unbreakable spirit not only reinforces your own determination and confidence, but also serves as a testament to the power of perseverance and faith in oneself. In this context, your silence takes on an even deeper meaning. Far from being a pause or a void, it is an expression of your internal journey, a reflection of your contemplation and introspection. More than that, your silence is a deliberate strategy, a way to preserve your focus and stay aligned with your core values amid the chaos and distractions of daily life. It demonstrates the importance of being centered and true to one's own principles, even in a world that often demands constant expression and incessant communication. This positioning, this choice to stay true to one's own values and walk according to their internal compass, not only defines who you are, but also sets you apart as a figure of influence and inspiration. Your ability to remain authentic and integral, despite external pressures, is not only admirable, but also a powerful reminder of the impact we can have by living our truths. By consciously choosing to protect your plans and aspirations from external influences, you establish fertile ground for the development of your true essence and creativity. This decision, although it may seem contrary to the current trend of constant sharing on social media and seeking external validation, is actually a powerful affirmation of independence and self-confidence. In doing so, you not only preserve the purity of your intentions, but also ensure that each step taken towards your goals is aligned with your deeper and authentic vision. The ability to remain free from others' opinions, especially in an environment that often values appearance over essence, is a true sign of maturity and wisdom. This does not mean ignoring constructive feedback or living in a vacuum of self-affirmation, but rather discerning between what is truly useful and what may divert you from your path. Trusting your own intuition amidst a sea of voices and opinions requires a mental and emotional fortitude that is built over time, experience, and often mistakes. In a world saturated with information and influences, the ability to stay true to your own narrative is more than just a skill, it is an art. This fidelity to your values and principles not only guides your decisions and actions, but also attracts into your life people and opportunities that resonate with your authenticity. Furthermore, by staying true to yourself, you become a reference for others seeking inspiration to pursue their own paths with integrity and purpose. This commitment to authenticity and originality has a profound impact not only on your personal journey but also on the world around you. By living according to your own terms, you challenge others to question their own choices and to consider whether they are living a life that is truly their own or simply a response to external expectations. This influence, albeit subtle, has the power to provoke significant changes, both at an individual and collective level. You see, deep down, life is yours and only you can walk through it. Listening to others is part of the growth process, of course, but true wisdom lies in knowing when to follow your own intuition. The importance of prioritizing is not an act of selfishness, but a fundamental necessity. It is, in fact, the foundation upon which you can build the life you desire, far from being a mere reproduction of external expectations. This moment of introspection, of tuning into your deepest desires and dreams, is a point of profound connection with the universe. Unlike the voices around, the universe offers a space of unlimited acceptance, opening doors to unexplored possibilities. This introspective silence, this pause in the daily routine, may be exactly what you need to discover what your true passions are and what truly matters to you. It is an invitation to listen to what your heart longs for and to follow the direction pointed by your instincts. Trusting yourself, acknowledging that the answers you seek are already within you, is the first step towards an authentically rich and fulfilling life. Your achievements are not random. They are testimonies of your deserving ability to achieve greatness. This demonstrates how much you are destined for even greater experiences and successes. Therefore, if there is a moment to fervently believe in yourself and pursue what your heart desires, it is this one. The curiosity and expectation surrounding your silence are, in fact, a testimony of the respect and admiration that people feel for you. This anticipation is not based on emptiness, but on the collective certainty that you are preparing something extraordinary. This moment of stillness is perceived by others as the calm before the revelation of something grand. Such perception reflects the deep trust that your friends, family, and colleagues place in your abilities and potential. The trust that people have in you should serve as a mirror for the self-confidence that you must nurture within yourself. It is essential to recognize and embrace the belief in your own capabilities and possibilities. The world is full of opportunities, waiting only for you to make the right move to seize them. Your journey up to this point is living proof that there are no dreams too audacious or goals out of reach for someone equipped with determination and self-confidence. Possessing the firmness to pursue your dreams and the conviction that you deserve all the good that the world has to offer is a powerful force. The life that awaits you is not just a sequence of events, it is a life rich in love, joy, and successes that transcend the ordinary. The future existence, full of these wonders, is a constant reminder that greatness is within your reach. Every step towards your dreams, every moment of doubt overcome by the belief in your ability, is an affirmation of your personal strength and worth. This interaction between external perception and internal self-confidence is fundamental. It reinforces the idea that true power resides not in external validations, but in the deep belief in your own capabilities. When you start to see yourself through the eyes of those who believe in you, you realize that the only limit to achieving your goals is the sky. Facing life's challenges requires more than just determination. It requires a deep sense of trust in the strength that dwells within us. This strength, often invisible, is the essence that motivates us to overcome adversities and walk towards the realization of our dreams. This journey, although it may seem lonely in moments of introspection, is actually shared with those around us who care for us. Your kind and inspiring nature has naturally attracted a support circle composed of people who value who you are and all that you represent. These individuals, be they friends, family, or even colleagues, are the ones who understand your struggles and aspirations. They are ready to celebrate your achievements, big or small, acknowledging the importance of each step taken in your path. Accepting this support is not a sign of weakness, but a powerful affirmation of strength. By sharing your experiences and allowing others to be part of your journey, you not only strengthen the bonds of friendship and love, but also reinforce your own self-confidence. This process of mutual exchange enriches the human experience, bringing more meaning and depth to our lives. In addition to the tangible support from our loved ones, there is also a mysterious alignment between our desires and the universe. Believing that we are in tune with higher forces is not mere fantasy. It is recognizing that our dreams and ambitions have space to manifest in the reality that surrounds us. This synchrony between the inner and outer creates fertile ground for personal growth and self-realization. In essence, true power lies in the combination of your inner strength with the loving support of those who believe in you and in the magic of the universe that always guides you. Recognizing and embracing these sources of strength is essential to achieve the success and happiness you seek. Each step taken, each obstacle overcome, and each moment of shared joy are integral parts of your unique journey. By embracing the support that flows to you, not only from the people you love, but also from the universal forces that move life, you take a step forward towards an existence full of meaning and satisfaction. This collaboration between the personal and the cosmic is what makes the journey not only possible but deeply enriching. Life, with its various changes, offers experiences ranging from intense challenges to immeasurable joys. Each of these experiences serves as a vehicle for personal growth, allowing you not only to build resilience but also to expand your capacity for love, compassion, and empathy. Embrace each moment as an opportunity to deepen your understanding of yourself and the world around you. Allowing yourself to be sustained and supported by those who believe in you and by the universe is a powerful affirmation of your openness to receiving life's infinite blessings. This receptivity is crucial to moving through life with grace, fluidity, and a sense of purpose. Believing in yourself and your ability to make choices aligned with your deepest values is the key to unlocking the unlimited potential that resides within you. Therefore, continue to nurture that unwavering faith in yourself and in the people around you. Together, you and your support network form a dynamic force that can face any challenge, overcome any obstacle, and reach the highest peaks of success and happiness. The journey ahead is yours to be lived with courage, passion, and a profound trust in the flow of life. May I pray with you? Lord, in this sacred moment of introspection and seeking, I lift my heart and mind towards your infinite guiding light. With humility and hope, I stand before your presence, recognizing the greatness of your love and the perfection of your designs. I ask, O Divine Creator, that you help me to fully embrace the power pertaining to my journey. May I perceive in every challenge and joy a divine opportunity to grow, learn, and strengthen ourselves. Guide me so that my curiosity may be a beacon that illuminates not only my paths, but also awakens the light in the hearts of those around me. Grant me, Lord, the strength to deeply trust that my path is full of purpose and promise. May faith in your providence be the compass that guides me, even when life's storms try to obscure my vision. Help me to recognize your presence in every moment, knowing that, under your guidance, I am led to experiences that enrich my soul and expand my understanding of the sacred mystery of existence. Pour your grace upon me, Lord, so that I may gratefully embrace the support and love of those dear to me. May we together form a community of faith, hope, and love, reflecting your light in a world that so desperately needs compassion and understanding. May I, on my journey, be an instrument of your peace, a bearer of your light, and a living example of your infinite kindness. May my life be a continuous prayer of gratitude, love, and service to others, honoring the divine purpose entrusted to me. In the name of all that is sacred and pure, I thank you, Lord, for your constant guidance, unconditional love, and the infinite blessings you shower upon me each new day. So be it, for the greater good of all, under your divine will. Amen. Allow these words to resonate in your spirit. Remember that you are loved and protected by the universe. Type 333 to claim this message and its blessings as your own. Leave a positive message for those who may need encouragement today. Let's uplift each other and radiate good energies together. May God and the universe guide us towards peace, faith, and comfort. Amen.